In this video, I will show you how to fix and how to resolve fill handle not showing in Microsoft Excel. As we can see, we have this number and we want to make in a series. So we will use this fill handle. So it will autofill data. Similarly, you press Ctrl and you use fill handle. So you can create this series. Similarly, once you double click this corner, so you will see this dot, this one, and once you double click on it, your cursor will turn into this symbol. Just double click on it. So to fix this problem, click on File, Options, Advanced, and just select this box, Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Here guys, you have to select this setting, Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop. Then click on OK. Now you can drag and drop easily, or you can use this fill handle option. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.